We're officially launching the Leaps letter this month, and I want to give you a trade tip, something that I like that may or may not fit your risks and your tolerance, but it's on a new company that actually did a SPAC, which is a special acquisition company, which basically does almost like a reverse merger. The ticker is WeBull. It's WeBull. It's a very prominent trading fintech company that people use. You can see right here, this is my existing position on this underlying security. But what I want to talk about now is the options chain. So they just released options because this is a new security that just hit the market, and you can go out. I like going out to the furthest expiration because it's a new SPAC. A lot can happen. It has had a really big price decline after the initial surge. Now it's kind of back to its entry level. So pretty significant volatility. But if we look at the July options, we're starting to get open interest around the 1250, which are the strikes that I'm long because they're a little more conservative. They're in the money. But I like the 1250s, the 15s, the 1750s are interesting. But I would say, if you're going to almost pay the same amount of money, buy something that has intrinsic value. And the 1250s have intrinsic value. So I feel that it's a relatively conservative trade and investment buying something that's already in the money for $4 or $5 a contract. You already have basically $2.20 of intrinsic value. So you're paying maybe $2.50 in time premium for 437 days. And if you want, we have an earnings coming up, which you have to be mindful of. But if you want, you can go out, say the June options and sell the 20s for $1.20 and get a 25% return on your costs. So these are the trades that we're going to be talking all about in the Leaps letter. This is one I wanted to share with you. Maybe it fits your risk tolerance. Maybe it doesn't. Always do your own homework. This is not investment advice, but it is something that I own, that I like, that I'm going to be trading for the next year and a half.